Good morning, everyone. My name is Sampath. I am studying 8th class. I am going to study 9th class. My hobbies are playing games, watching TV, reading books. I want to become an aeronautical engineer. Now I am going to tell about past activities and two stories. Past activities. I am telling past activities. Yesterday morning, I woke up in the morning at 6 o'clock. I brushed my teeth. After I took a bath, my mother prepared a breakfast. I ate that breakfast and I came to these classes, spoken English classes. I learned spoken English. After I went to my house, my mother prepared lunch. I ate that lunch. After I attend the Python coding classes up to 4:30. After then that I played for some time up to 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, my mother prepared dinner. I ate that dinner. After I watched a laptop for some time. Then I went to bed. Now I am telling uh, karma always come back story. One day the lady went to cobbler shop to polish her sandals. The cobbler polished her sandals. After she uh, after she asked how much rupees is that, the cobbler told it is just 30 rupees, ma'am. Then the lady uh, taking money while taking the bundle of money 1 lakh rupees accidentally fall down, but anyone uh, don't saw that incident. That's why after the lady gave 50 rupees, the cobbler told, Madam, just 30 rupees only, you gave 50 rupees. Then the lady told, okay, it's okay, keep it with you. Then the cobbler told, on some days previous also, you gave 5 or 10 rupees extra. Now I want only 30 rupees, you gave only 30 rupees. Please give me 30 rupees. Then the lady told, okay, it's okay, keep it with you. And the lady went away. While walking, the lady chat with his mother. While chatting, he told he told one then he told one matter. That matter is, now I am taking with me 1 lakh rupees to further operation. I asked my manager advancedly. Then my manager gave me 1 lakh rupees to me. Now I am taking 1 lakh rupees. I am walking. Wait, I am come firstly to the hospital. He told that after while she tolding while she telling, the one thief came to that place. That thief hided in bushes, hid in bushes. After some time, the thief came front of to that lady. Then the thief asked, give me money. I listen your words, you chatting to your mother. Then the lady told, no, no, I don't have that money. I am telling lies to my mother. Then the thief checked his bag. Really, there is no money. Then the lady shocked and take that bag and check again. There is no bag. There is no money. Then the thief got angry and stolen his phone and went away. Then the lady got crying and went to near that place. There is her brother. Then she went to her brother. Then the brother asked, is everything okay? Then she told, no, no, nothing is okay now. My money is forgotten. My money forgotten. Anywhere, I don't know that money matter. Next, the thief stolen my phone. While talking, that man cobbler came to that place and told, take it your money, your money is fall down there. I saw your money and take your money. I search for you. You are here. You are here. Then the lady asked, where this money got you? Then the cobbler told, in near the shoes I got this money, take it. And the cobbler lastly told, be careful with the money. Then the cobbler went away. His her brother told, okay, it's okay, there is a reason for everything. If you have this money and your phone, that thief will stolen your money and your phone also. Everything is your wish only. Don't worry. Then the two members are went to her father operation. After yes. after the father operation is successfully completed. Now I am telling another story. The story name is One Mill Changed Her Faith. A mill changed her faith. In that, a old man came to one hotel and asked that manager, give me food. I am very hungry now. Please help me. Then the manager told, why not? You sit there. My servant will serve you. Then that old man told, madam, I don't have money. Then the manager told, if you don't have money, I can't help you. Then the old man told, uh, my manager give me my money after 2 or 3 days. Then I pay this money. Then I will pay this money. Then the lady trust him and go and sit there. My servant will serve you. Then after the lady went to the lady while walking, the manager walking, the one food inspector came to that place and told, I am food inspector. Now I check this hotel. I want to check this hotel. Thank you.